Hey, hey. Uh, uh, yeah. Open the laptop, let the lesson ignite. Kotlin in the booth, making code feel tight. From app screen shining to the backend grind. One language moving with a future-proof mind. Kotlin, clean code flow. Less boilerplate, let the logic show. JVM power, Android glow. Backend, multiplatform, watch it go. Kotlin, type safe lane. No checks blocking that crash site pain. Write it sharp, make the program grow. Learn that foundation, then build that code. Kotlin is a language with a modern design. Built to make the code more clear in the mind. Less clutter on the screen, more meaning in sight. So the work reads smooth and the structure sits right. It runs on the JVM, that engine beneath. Where Java been building with industrial teeth. So Kotlin can't stand where Java stood tall. Same strong world, but a cleaner call. Variables, functions, classes in place, but the syntax moves with a smoother face. You can say what you mean with a tighter command. Less repeated typing, more controlling your hand. That helps with nulls. That hidden bug trap when missing data makes the whole app snap. Kotlin asked early, can this value be none? That's safety in the code before damage gets done. Kotlin, clean code flow. Less boilerplate, let the logic show. JVM power, Android glow. Backend, multiplatform, watch it go. Kotlin, type safe lane. No checks blocking that crash site pain. Write it sharp, make the program grow. Learn that foundation, then build that code. Android, developers keep Kotlin close. For buttons, screens, data, and mobile flows. From login pages to maps that move. Kotlin helps the whole app groove. But it ain't just phones in the palm of your hand. Backend servers can't follow the plan. APIs talking, databases link. Requests come in and the logic thinks. Multi-platform means one shared core. Write common logic, then stretch it more. Mobile, desktop, web in the frame. Different targets, some share gain. That's why devs respect the design. Readable code saves pressure in time. Teamwork smoother when the meaning is plain. Clean syntax cuts through the maintenance strain. Kotlin, clean code flow. Less boilerplate, let the logic show. JVM power, Android glow. Backend, multi-platform, watch it go. Kotlin, type safe lane. No checks blocking that crash site pain. Write it sharp, make the program grow. Learn that foundation, then build that code. Hey, start with values, start with types. Learn the functions, sharpen the strikes. Control the flow with if and when. Loops keep moving through the data again. Classes, whole patterns, objects, whole state. Collections line up what your programs create. Read the errors, don't run from the flame. Debugging this training, not losing the game. Kotlin foundation means knowing the road. How it runs, why it works, where to place that code. JVM roots with a modern crown. Android up, backend down. So when the screen lights and the build turns green, you know what the language was built to mean. Clearer, safer, stronger in motion. Code like rhythm with focused devotion. Kotlin in the system, let the logic flow. Foundation first, then build that code. Kotlin in the system, let the logic flow. Foundation first, then build that code.